Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope you all well. This is Ella from Dropshipping Company, and I have worked for this company for about 1 year. So here is some experience I want to share with you. I hope this will help for your business be easier. So today, this is my first video. Let's go. Dropshipping: how to start a business with low cost. The definition of dropshipping. Dropshipping means to deliver a product to customer directly by supplier rather than retailer. You don't need to see, pack, and ship products yourself. The benefits of dropshipping. Number 1, save cost on warehouse rents, utilities, staffing, and payroll. Number 2, eliminate the risk of losing money on overstocked items. Number 3, save significant time and funds on packing and shipping items. For its natural advantage, China is the largest manufacturer in the world. It gives a natural advantage in product cost, so we have rich resources in suppliers and lower price in the global market. For dropshipping, how to make money. Here are some suggestions from my experience. Number 1, open a Shopify store or open a store through e-commerce, eBay, Wish, Amazon. Number 2, build your own team. Number 3, test the market and find a good seller. Number 4, find a reliable dropshipping company to fulfill orders. Number 5, find a reliable supplier to keep continuous supply of goods. Number 6, have a fast delivery time and high quality supplier. Number 7, have a considerate after-sales service. Number 8, scale your orders through expand the brand. So I think someone will ask, I am just a new beginner and I have new orders, so how can you help me? I can help you make full use of our system, check hot sellers through list number. Here is a screenshot from the system. You can check. This is for home, garden, and furniture field. And this is a list number. The list number stands for the popular, whether the product is popular in the market. You know, we have integrated with Shopify and Amazon, Lazada, eBay, Shopee. So here are some tutorials will help you how to list the products to your stores. I think this will make everything be easier. Here is an example how quality pictures can be free saved and used. Well, someone will also ask, if I have only a few orders, how can you help me? I will help you analyze the reasons. Number 1, products limited on AliExpress. If you are cooperating with one supplier, I think the products in one store is so limited. Number 2, products quality. If the products quality are too bad, it will affect the customer's shopping experience, right? Number 3, delivery time. Number 4, customer service experience. You know, there is always time difference, and if one agent is too busy, he has no time to reply all the questions in a short time. But we have a customer service, we have a one-to-one agent service. For the first problem, we have enough sunglasses in the platform. If you think this product isn't enough for you, and you can issue sourcing requests on the platform, you can leave your pictures or leave the product URL. We will find you the same products from China market. For example, this is a solar charger. We can find so many suppliers for just one product, and we can give you the most reasonable price. I will list it and assign to your account. Here is your SKU list, and all the products you need will be here. You can click the name to check its price and all the detailed information. Here is a question: does your agent ship too slow? We have 2 warehouses in US overseas, and your orders can be processed within 24 hours and delivered within just 1 to 4 days in US. And we ship to global countries. We ship to global countries from 3 China warehouses. They are in Yiwu, Jinhua, and Dongguan cities. We have 2 warehouses in US. They are in New Jersey and California. 1 warehouse in Germany and Thailand, and we are cooperating with global country suppliers. Here you can have a look. To one country can have so many shipping methods, and you can choose the most reasonable one. It has the cheapest price and the fast delivery time. Here is a screenshot of so many warehouses we are cooperating. You can ship from these countries, and you can sell so many products. And all this inventory as actual inventory. Let's have a summary. Today we have talked about products and logistics. Ella will talk about customized packaging with low minimal quantity next video. If you need to know more dropshipping information, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe here. This is Ella's Working Days.